In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account name. Sometime in creating a new Gmail account, we accidentally provide random names which later we want to change it. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to get this done. On your phone, navigate to your Gmail app. On the top right corner, locate your profile icon and click there. Then proceed to manage your Google account. Among the list of menus on the top, locate personal info and click it. Then scroll down to locate name and proceed to click there. Here you have the option to change your name and add a nickname to your existing name. So you can proceed to click on this icon to change. In order to change either the first name or the surname, for instance, you can proceed to click in the box, then backspace and provide the new name you want to be identified to. Then after that, you can then proceed to click on save. After clicking on save, anyone who wishes to communicate with you will then see this new name. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing to see many content like this. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.